Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make money online like 1000 USD, 3000 USD or more in a month. Today I will give you some tricks and techniques you can apply and earn money. You can earn from home, work from home also available here. You can earn more money, okay? So let me show which website and where you will get job and how many jobs and how many work are available. Okay. So let me show. So we everyone know maybe freelancer.com. You saw that at freelancer. Who maybe know or someone know the freelancer.com. Here are a lot of jobs here. You can make money online easily. Here hourly job, weekly job and monthly job available and project job also available. You have to sign up here or you can post a project. You can sign up and log in here. Okay. So let me show you the job details. How many job available here? There are a lot of job available here. Millions of companies are posting daily jobs here. Okay. Which type of jobs you need? Just apply here and you will get the job. So the top jobs available coming here. We can see that co-commerce customize. It's a website related software architect, build an application. A lot of work available. A lot of whichever you are expert, you can go here and your search your perfect job. Don't go late. Hurry, come up, hurry to join here, okay? A lot of job here. Just make money online. Monthly, weekly, or daily. You can do daily job, you can do monthly job, you can do contract job. Everything here. Don't do delay. Which type of job and how many job you just select it here. You will get. Suppose you need full-time job. Just select here and search. All the things will become okay. You can see that I am looking for experienced Django developer. 6 days left. 6 days ago, this job post was timing. So if you know this type of skills, then you can get this job easily. Here, copy paste job, social media marketing job, digital expert, everything here. Just go on here and earning money. So if you need this type of similar website, I can show you another. Maybe we know the popular website Fiverr.com. You maybe know everyone. Fiverr.com is the most popular website in 2022. Here are lots of job also here. You can get a lot of job. Which type of job you need? Article writing, WordPress developer. Which type of job you can need? You just make money online. If you have skill, then you can make money online, and you can also do content writing. If no one have any skills, they can do content writing. Content writing has several skills. Nothing needs. Okay, everything job here you see that. There are also they posted the which dollar dev favor for you. Okay, so you can easily make money. Just join on Fiverr, Freelancer, and the next is Upwork.com. You maybe know that. Upwork, the largest marketplace freelancer. Here are lots of jobs: sales, marketing, legal, finance, accounting, development. A lot of job category here. Just make money online from today. Okay, apply and get your job. Which type of job you need? You can see here. UI UX designer, virtual assistant, front-end developer, data scientist, everything here. There are several jobs which need no experience or skills. If you do this work, you can get money. Okay. So from today, I hope that you join from today, and I think you can make money online from today. Here I have account and I can make money daily online also. I do a lot of jobs here daily. I get thousands of jobs for my team or me also. So hope you will get understand and make money online from today. I think so. That's all for today. And subscribe my channel. I will update you new video at the next which micro site jobs. Okay, here small jobs will be available and will be available. I will share you. or I will upload this kind of video. So hope I think you will see my full video, and hope you guys will know very much. Thank you very much.